Hello and welcome to another short video of my garden railway construction. It's 7 o'clock in the evening, beautiful evening, and just to show you a little bit of the latest work. That's new concrete. You see the difference in colour as it gradually hardens, sets, or whatever it does, cures, I think is the word. You see the difference in colour there. So that shuttering was removed today. Same with this. And over here you'll see some more. Now you'll notice here that this is quite grainy, got lumps visible from the sides. It doesn't really affect the strength of it or the any problem with it. It's just been the way it's been made. I built this up over 4 days, just throwing in the spare from over the other side, and as you can see the different layers and how it's cured. I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. It's just noticeable, a bit more grainy, and again the difference in colour there. And you'll see that there's a pipe there that goes through to the other side. That's in just in case I need to put any wiring through. I've marked it on there. Pipe. It's just in case I lost it mixed amongst the concrete. So we've got a lovely straight there. Perfect straight. Sure will look very nice with the train coming down it. So approximately halfway done. This has been just set up this evening. Took me about 2 hours to set this up. Plywood sides, as I said before, hardboard's not very good, plywood very good and reusable. That's all set up. The large wooden stakes are just there to hold it upright, as the short metal stakes. Short metal stakes are the right height, so that's been working. I worked to that height, and the wooden ones are just there for give it some extra strength. We've thrown some ballast in the bottom, and we've just got these bits of wood and stuff along the sides just to support it, because there's a fair amount of pressure put on when you start throwing concrete in this. There's a bit of give, but not too much, should be okay. That'll be tomorrow's project, coming down here, and it's just in there to stop the concrete. Another pipe in there ready to take any wiring that might be necessary. So hopefully tomorrow that will be getting filled up with concrete, so that's okay. I think it looks okay. I think the curves look okay radius wise. I'm quite happy with that. And sort of construction, actually, if it was higher, a bit bigger, you could actually run a train and sit on it. Not sure what height you'd need. You'd have to hit higher than this, I think. But that's the type of construction. So there you go, just an update on progress. Hopefully have some materials delivered today. 3 bags of sharp sand, 3 bags of 10mm pea gravel to mix the concrete. I mix my own concrete. You can buy it all in ballast, but it tends to have a lot of big stones in it, which I didn't want, so I'm mixing my own with 10mm ballast. And the dogs are quite happy with it. And thinking of leaving a gap where there'll be probably some sort of removable bridge in this section, and that's just to get the lawnmower in and onto the lawn, lifting it over. So yeah, just an update, gradually getting there. Takes me about 2 days to do approximately 3 yards. 1 day to set it up and 1 day to do the concreting. Okay, bye for now. Any questions, any queries, please ask or subscribe.